Hey guys, this is iMaster, and today I'm going to be telling you about widgets and HTML snippets and how they can just really make your website in iWeb just so much cooler. Alright, so this is my homepage, and the first thing you see is probably this revolving globe. It's an HTML snippet. It's an example of one of the really cool things you can do with your iWeb website. Another example is one that I'm going to show you today is a cool little radio that you can just put on your website and have it play. And I'll give you some suggestions on how to set that up. Okay, so in iWeb 08, they're found down here. I think it says snippets, something like that, or widgets, says something like that. In iWeb 09, it gives you a better selection of built-in widgets. YouTube, MobileMe, Gallery, AdSense, iSight, etc. But we're going to focus on this one right here, HTML Snippet, okay? Just create a test page right here. And drag one of those on there. So, as you can see, it says paste or type HTML to embed on your page. Okay. So here's an example of a good place that you can find widgets. You can open up Safari and type in widgetbox.com. WIDGET box.com. See that? Okay. Now it separates them into a few categories. Browse by tag, featured widget, highest widgets, new widgets, and all-time favorites. You can also search for a widget. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and show you an example of what you do when you find a widget. This is one that I have in the news section of my site, CNN widget. Let's put CNN news. You really don't have to put widget. It's kind of redundant because it's searching for widgets. But I'm rambling. Okay, so when you look at it, it comes up a little skinny thing like this. Now, maybe that fits into yours. Maybe you need something like that. But you can customize it. It has great options for customization. Alright, so we can have the narrow, which is what we have now, wide, and you can enter a custom size. Alright, and you can change the theme of it. Say white would look like that. Leopard, like that. Checkered, or actually invisible, looks checkered. Invisible, like that. And you can pick a color. Include summaries. This basically, in this case, gives an idea of what the story is about, and you'll have different layout options down here. And include images. If the news story were to include the image, which I don't think any of these do, it would show them. Okay, so once you've customized it like you like, how you like, you can click Get Widget. Okay, so it gives you a few options. You have embed code, copy, JavaScript, Flash, MySpace, and all these other options. We're going to go ahead and get the JavaScript embed code. So we can just click copy, and then we can go into iWeb. So it's been copied to our clipboard, so we can just paste it there and click apply. Make sure you click apply and not the X, because if you do that, it'll forget that you ever typed anything in. Okay, so then we have this widget. Now, to interact with your widget, you double-click it, and you can interact with it as you would a normal object in iWeb. Alright, now I'm going to show you where you can find the Shoutcast radio widget that I have on my site here. There are two ways to get this widget. One, come to my site and click on the widget where it says copy me, and it'll go ahead and it will give you the code. Or, in Safari, type in shoutcast.com and just scroll on this little scroll bar right here until you see widget. click that, and it's a really cool widget. It has a good variety of genres, and it has a ton of stations for each one. Alright, then you would just copy the code and paste it as we did with the news widget. Alright guys, that just about wraps it up. You can find tons of widgets on the website, on the internet, such as, the revolver map that you find on my homepage, on my news page, and under my stuff. I have tons of them there. They're just really, really helpful things. And I hope you found this tutorial entertaining as well as informative. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye. Alright, the next widget I would like to show you is this widget right here. It's a really cool widget. It shows you the server location of whoever's on your site right now, and where like all previous visits have been from. Like I've gotten European visits, even Californian visits, all across, scattered visits, but not many, but scattered. So I'm just going to show you where you can get this. As you can probably see, it says revolvermaps.com. So we're just going to go ahead and head to that. Revolvermaps.com. That's REVOLVERMAPS.com. Okay, so here's an example of one. So we're going to do Get Your Globe. They also do 2D maps, which are like that, but I like the rotating globe more. Okay, so we have a bunch of options. We have this pinkish. We have this blue and white. We have this one that kind of shows like, I don't know, water edges, but I just use this one. It looks pretty cool. Okay, and as you can see, visitors can like move around with it. Choose dimensions. I think mine might be right where they have it there. You can choose marker color. This is like where all these red dots, that's previous visitors. You can change that. Mine are yellow, like that, or yellow orangish. You can have a visitor counter. That would be this right here. Recent hits. That would be like who's on right now. And stars, that's in the background, these stars, so do whatever. Flash version with Java or Flash version with HTML. We're going to use this one via HTML, and then we're going to copy this code, as you know, and then just paste it. So that's how that works. That's how all widgets work. That's how I got my games on my site. I mean, they're just really helpful. You can embed YouTube videos with that. So that's all for now. I'll have more videos soon, so keep checking back, subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.